the will of God in Christ for you is, number 1, rejoice always. Number 2, pray always. Number 3, give thanks always. So therefore, rejoice without ceasing, pray without ceasing, and give thanks without ceasing. In everything, rejoice. In everything, give thanks. Kaya mga kapatid, ang maging Christian ay hindi boring. Ang maging Christian ay masaya. Yung masaya, yun yung happy. Pero pag masaya, yan ay joy from the Lord. Why? Because we've been forgiven and we've been saved by God. Meron tayong joy because we have fellowship with God. Sinong kasama mo? Si God. Saan ka pumunta? Sa bahay ni God. Sino ang nakausap mo? Si God. Ang sarap na si God ang ka-fellowship. At mga kapatid, meron tayong freedom because we have received the truth. And the truth says we are blessed by God. We are chosen by God. We are special in the eyes of God. We are highly favored by God. And we are a child of God. At dahil ikaw ay child of God, you are so special. Ang langit nakabantay sa iyo. Bakit? Anak ka. Yan ang sabi ng Bible. Yan ang truth. Kaya pag ang truth nasa atin, we are free. And of course, we have a future reserved. Meron ng place para sa atin. Hindi tayo out of place. Meron tayong place reserved by our God because you are loved by God.